Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an events page on SiteGround. Just tap on Swati browser. Before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me, and after you log in your account, install WordPress using cPanel or manually upload the files using FTP and log into the WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the event section, click add new to create an event, fill the event details including the name, date, time, location and description and media like images or videos. Specify the event type to set ticket price and configure other option. Assign the event organizer a speaker and other details. Click publish to make the event. So this is you can create an event on SiteGround, and hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.